Hey guys, so what started out as supposed to be a St. Patrick's Day video just completely didn't come together. My main thing today is I want to go over with you on the BuildTak FlexPlate and what I'm thinking of it so far. This is my first really good print on it. I printed out the lid for the box, which turned out a little stringy, but it has nothing to do with the BuildTak. It's just my retraction settings were a little bit off and everything. But that turned out really nice. That was printed face down on the BuildTak. Turned out really good. Now here's the cool thing about the BuildTak material of the FlexPlate. Get that little piece off there. All you have to do once it's cool, flex the plate, and life is so much easier. I'll tell you what, that really simplifies removing a print from the print bed. Now this was printed with the Shaxson green PLA. I've got some setting issues right there, it looks like, but it actually turned out pretty good considering. Printed at 0.15 layer height. Lid fits perfect. But that BuildTak FlexPlate really does come in handy. That makes life a lot easier. And of course I got the spatula, so if I want to take and really get a hard print off of it, it'll make it a little bit easier. But flexing it really makes it a lot easier. Used to, I'd always have to take and reheat the build plate in order to get the edge of my BuildTak spatula underneath it. But with this, you just leave it cold, flex it, and you're good to go. And with the magnetic setup to it, you just place the bed back on here, somewhat straight, and it holds it in place. I mean, it does not want to shift unless you really push it. So that's definitely going to come in really handy. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on it and let you know how I'm thinking of it so far, and so far I'm loving it. Anyway guys, that'll do it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you get a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you'll be able to take and purchase merchandise like this from my TeePublic store, or go to the Amazon affiliate and be able to purchase that merchandise from there. Every little bit helps the channel. I sure appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page over here. And if you like to watch my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to love them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.